This is my old garage. You see, it's a sectional and it's assembled together on site. So I think these pillars are concrete, and we got several pillars. The front bigger and the rest relatively smaller. And you can see these are all pre-made panels. From here, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a one block. So 4 pre-made block to make this one section wall, and all very similar. And it's about 1 meter and 20 centimeters, 120 centimeters for each of this section, and built together is about 6 meters long. The garage door, you see the garage door. This garage door is aluminum with a wooden frame and concrete weight instead of spring. We can have a look. This is the lock, so it's a very old lock here. Everything copper and never rust. So every time you open it, it's always easy to open. As you can see, everywhere is copper. So this good padlock. And to open, you turn this all around, and then we can open it up. As you can see, the weight over there going up, down, up and down. When you close it, it's very high, and when you open it, it's touching the floor, the two weight. And now have a look of the frame, the door frame. You can see this sheet is aluminum, and here the wood, and the cable is hanging over there with the steel bracket and 2 screws. But on this side, the wood was broken. I just repaired it with a piece of wood and made another smaller piece of wood to have the bracket on, and that where the cable and the wheel in this side track. You can see the side track, the wheel, and they're connected to this bracket. Let's have a look when we close the door. So I also have here another to strengthen this part. This part is getting rotten. As you can see, and here it's getting rotten here. So that's why I put another piece of wood across here, so that they repair. You see here that the repair, and you can see very clearly here. You see here where the cable linked to the wheel and the shaft, and similar to this side. So if you look up, so here, if you look up, there's the wheel over there, the 2 wheels actually over there to hand the cable this side and that side. So at fully open position, the concrete weight will touch the floor like this. So it's going up. When you try to close the door, it's going up like this. And there's a track over here, each side, you see. And you can close the door. So now with the door closed, and we can switch on the light. So now you can see the wheel. There are 2 wheels to the weight, and the other side to here. Here, the bracket. There's the wheel inside here, and this is bracket. And this is my repair. I have piece of wood, because here is broken, and another smaller piece of wood just to cut the old frame and put another piece. That piece using 3 screws fixed to this piece, and then this bracket for the wheel and shaft screwed here, and you can see here the shaft and the cable. So this is my repair, and this side similar, closed position. This is rather high, and here the wheels. So you can see the wheels. You can see going. Yeah, like that. So if you look at the inside, you can see the section. So there's some pillar here, and there are several pillars over there. And it's a sectional old thing, and the roof is just big tiles. There's the window. There's the driver's door over there, and there's some window, and also at the back there's some wooden window as well. So this is the back of the garage. So it's also sectional. In the middle there's a pillar, and we have some wooden window. Quite old, maybe replaced with new, but I think it's very typical and special. And this is the driver's door inside, and you can see the 2 sections here. Another window. So the garage door fully open position like that. So you can see the concrete touch the floor, and on this side, and the cable without using any spring. And you can also see the track over here. You can see the track this side of the door, and also that side of the door. So there's a metal track. So it is the old style aluminum plate over and wooden frame. Of course there's some bracket, steel bracket on the top, and the steel bracket for the sliding wheel shaft and the cable hang in place.